Hey everybody, back with progress for this week. Bike is really coming together. The tank is back. Really came out great. Love the flush gas cap. Really helps finish off that tank look really sharp. Got the tank all mounted up. And the Vance & Hines short shot exhaust. Got all taken care of. Coils relocated, all wired in, taken care of. And there is the choke. Remember that old busted choke? I got that all fixed up now. Ignition relocated. Everything's all buttoned up. I mean, the bike's really coming together. Got the speedo mounted and all wired in. So really the only thing left is wiring the controls. So I got the left control, so I need to go ahead and get an adapter onto the end of this, and it actually marries up inside the headlight and connects to all these in here for the right side and the left side. So that's what I'm going to be working on this weekend, is getting these controls all wired up, get those taken care of. So a lot of soldering this weekend, and then after that I'm gonna have to get into mounting the fender, because right now it's just kind of rested on the tire, but it'll mount up there. I've got to put in turn signals and a rear brake light. The turn signals, I got blinkers up front too. I just kind of mocked them up to see if I liked them. They are teeny tiny. I don't like how that's sitting, so I'm gonna have to redo a mount completely. I want to be able to have it up and a little bit more forward, so I'm gonna have to fabricate something. As tiny as those are, they're really bright, so I'm looking forward to finishing it up. Bike's really coming together. Maybe another couple of weeks I'll be able to fire this up. Keep you posted. Thanks for watching.